So, you want a good job, but you're not exactly an office kind of guy. Well, listen up. There's big demand for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technicians. We're the guys who install and repair heating and air conditioning systems. Get trained. Before you know it,
Oh,
you could be out making a good living.
maybe she has a belly ache.
There's a job out here for you. To get it, you just gotta
Maybe you should see if we should change her diaper. Did you hear that?
Oh, that came from down there?
Yes.
That's 1-800-752-6070. Next, Yancey.
We got Ray Liotta talking about one of his most intense
You feel
makeup
better
scenes.
now?
It's with Whoopi Goldberg. Sounds like he was really into it.
Tonight at 6:30 on Fox 5. Your attention, please. Over 500 lender foreclosed homes throughout the Northeast.
Say hi.
Sold at auction starting June 25th. Bid live at the auction or online at auction.com. Home now dates are due 12/13/19. Text auction 33 to 878-787 or visit auction.com for all property listings and auction details. Hundreds of foreclosed homes, condos, and multi-family units must be sold at auction prices. Financing and online bidding are available. Visit auction.com.
I didn't like get to count her fingers and her toes.
What?
I haven't gotten to even see her fingers and her
Oh.
toes.